Alright, so this should be interesting. So I've got my new printer head. I'm just gonna try to see how fast I can do a benchy here with the Eryone Thinker that I've modded heavily, of course. We're running at 250 millimeters a second, and we will time this once it gets going. We shall see how well it fares. I haven't hit start yet, so got my finger over here. It's going the first layer, it's doing the perimeter, and we hit play. So I'm not going to record the whole thing, I'm just going to let it go here, see how it does. Seems to be doing okay. The first layer is only at 150, but we will find out how it does when it does the next layer. I'll hold it till then to see it running at a speed. First layer down. I'm not going to be hugely impressed here. I don't think it's going to be breaking any records, but I think it's pretty cool to see what it can do. I'll compare it to like a stock print afterwards. So that was the first layer, and that was 50 seconds. So second layer should be probably around 20 seconds. And it's going pretty good. And I'll report back. Okay, so we're just a little bit over halfway. I mean, it's got a lot more to go, but there's not as much as there is on the bottom of the boat. And we're sitting at about 23 minutes. I think the last time I printed a benchy, it was like an hour and a half. So, say it's pretty good, and the quality is actually looking pretty damn good at this moment in time. So here we're coming to the finish line. Of course, like I said, nothing glorious is going to be. It's not going to be the Speedboat racer, but it's really looking good. And we're at 45, so I'm just going to keep my finger on the pause. And here we go to the chimney. And obviously you can see I got some things to tune in my profile. I'm going really slow in areas I don't need to be going that slow for. So here we are at the last 6 layers. And Klipper's reporting 51 minutes, but we're a little bit shyer than that because I, of course, counted off the... I started it when it started the layer, not when it was heating up and all that. There we have it. Benchy, 48 minutes and 1.2 seconds. And you know, the overall the quality is not that bad. That's a first attempt, and I'm gonna talk to some of the Eryone guys and see, you know, what's the limit on this printer truly. Is it, can I push it past 300 millimeters a second or not? That was at 250, and some of my settings, of course, like you saw with the chimney, weren't so good. So I'll do another attempt and see how it goes. I'd give you guys a little bit of a closer look at this. This is really good. I mean, sure, that's not the greatest, the writing on the back, but the bottom came out pretty good. There are some like under extrusion issues there, but I mean, overall, it's like, that's pretty damn good. It's a little stringy, but that's what happens with my hot end that I've got on there. So yeah, cheers.